Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. It's very easy. We need to simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key together to open Task Manager. Then we need to find out Windows Explorer. First of all, we will select it and then right click on it and simply click on End Task. Then if you get this taskbar, if not, again type press Control plus Shift plus Escape together to open this. Then select Run New Task, and on this window we need to type in explorer.exe. So here it is. Select, then click on OK. So once again right click on it and select Restart. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe our channel.